Hi, Spiky here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the free and open source Bitwarden variant, Vaultwarden, as a Docker container in our home lab. We will use Vaultwarden as our password manager. We will use the freshly installed Ubuntu machine for this, as installed in the video that's popping up now. This video will not go into depth on how to use Vaultwarden. These video series only explain the making of my complete project step by step. You can find all source code and up-to-date tutorials at my GitHub page. Let's go. So if you follow my GitHub page for this tutorial, you will notice that we have to complete some prerequisites first. In this video, I've already completed those requirements. I also forwarded port 7000 on my router. This is the port Vaultwarden will use. I added an A record to my self-hosted domain name server. I have added an entry in my self-hosted Nginx proxy manager, and I downloaded the latest sources. For a video about that, you can click the link that's popping up right now. Vaultwarden requires super users to log in with a special admin token. We will create this token based on our Vaultwarden password we have defined in our bash profile script. We can run the following command to get that token. Paste in the password. And change the admin token environment variable with its output. With this set into place, next time we spin up a Vaultwarden container, we don't have to execute these steps again. We can now always log in with our password. With that said, let's spin up our Vaultwarden container with the following command. We must now be able to navigate to our Vaultwarden URL followed by the admin path. Paste in your password and click the button Enter. Click Users and fill in your newly created email account as shown in the video about mail in a box. Click Invite. If we navigate to our Roundcube mail client, we will see that we have received an email asking us to join Vaultwarden. Click the link in the email. We will be asked to create a new Vaultwarden account. Fill in your details. And click the button Create Account. Now we can log in into our newly installed Vaultwarden Vault. In the next video, we are going to create a script that will automatically download some CLI tools we are going to use throughout our project. See you there. Spiky out.